In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to click pie of pie charts in Excel. If you've ever tried to make a pie chart and ended up with lots of tiny slices that are hard to read, a pie of pie chart is a great solution. It automatically breaks the smallest categories into a second, smaller pie, making your data easier to understand at a glance. Let's walk through the simple process to create one. First, make sure your worksheet has the data you want to visualize. The key here is to highlight the data correctly. Click and drag to select the category labels and their corresponding values. Include the header row if you have one, but avoid selecting totals or blank rows because those can confuse the chart. Your selection should be a clean, contiguous block with text labels in one column and numeric values in the adjacent column. If your list is long, you can click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the last cell to select everything in one move. With your data highlighted, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. This is where all charting tools live. You'll find it along the top of Excel, alongside Home, Page Layout, and others. Once you're on the Insert tab, look for the Charts group. Next, click the Pie Chart button. It's the icon that looks like a small pie. When you click it, Excel will show a gallery of pie chart types. This menu includes Basic Pie, 3D Pie, Donut, and the specialized options we're after. From that menu, click the Pie of Pie option. As soon as you choose it, Excel will insert the chart onto your sheet using the data you highlighted. You should now see two pies, the main pie on the left and a smaller pie on the right that pulls out the smallest categories from the main pie. This layout helps you see the fine details without cluttering the primary chart. Take a moment to scan your chart. If something looks off, like a missing label or an unexpected slice, double-check that your original selection included only the labels and values you intended. You can always click away, reselect the correct range, and repeat the same Insert, Pie, and Pie of Pie choices to regenerate the chart. That's all there is to it. By carefully highlighting your data, heading to Insert, choosing the Pie Chart button, and clicking Pie of Pie, you'll turn cramped slices into a clear, readable visualization that tells a better story with your numbers.